Hi there, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can add shadow to image on Canva. So once you have opened your Canva project and then upload your photo, so I am going to upload photo from Canva. So let's open this and I am going to add shadow on this. First click on this image and then top left corner here you can see edit photo, just click on that and here you will see this option Magic Studio and filter, and here you can see effect. So we are going to use this shadow effect. Let's click on shadow effect and here you will find this option glow, drop and outline. So we are going to use drop shadow. So let's click on this. Now here you can see shadow added. So you can increase the size, you can increase the blur amount, change the angle, distance, this is for distance, and you can change the intensity from here, and you can change the shadow color from this, you can change this. So this is how you can add shadow to image in Canva. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.